AntiX Linux is one of the fastest, lightest, and most efficient Linux distributions available today. If you've ever wanted a system that breathes new life into old hardware, boots insanely fast, and stays extremely stable without needing powerful resources, AntiX is one of the best options you'll ever find. Today, we're going to explore what makes AntiX special, why people still love it in 2025, and whether it's the right lightweight Linux distro for you. AntiX is designed with one core philosophy: keep things lean, efficient, and completely free of... Yes, AntiX is proudly system-free, which makes it attractive to users who prefer simplicity, transparency, and full control over their boot process. Instead of systemed, AntiX uses runit or sysvinit, giving users a very old-school style of init that's fast and minimal. One of the biggest reasons people choose AntiX is performance. This distro can run on extremely old machines. We're talking about systems with as little as 256 megabytes or 512 megabytes of RAM, even on hardware that most modern operating systems would consider unusable. AntiX remains smooth, responsive, and surprisingly capable. It is one of the rare Linux distributions that still genuinely cares about low-end and aging hardware. The AntiX team achieves this performance by using lightweight window managers instead of heavy desktop environments. Instead of GNOME or KDE, AntiX comes with options like IceWM. These are incredibly lightweight, but still customizable. For someone who enjoys minimalism, AntiX gives you a clean and snappy environment with almost no resource usage. Another strong point is that AntiX is based on Debian stable. This combination gives you two big advantages: rock-solid stability and a massive package repository. You can install thousands of applications from Debian without worrying about breaking your system. Even though the system itself is lightweight, you still get access to modern software and the reliability of one of the world's most trusted distributions. AntiX also comes with the fantastic AntiX Live system, one of its most powerful features. You can run AntiX from a USB completely live, make persistent changes, and even remaster the system. This makes it perfect for technicians, rescue tools, or anyone who wants a portable operating system that works the same on every machine. It's fast, flexible, and extremely reliable. For everyday use, AntiX is surprisingly capable. Web browsing, office work, media playback, development, and even light creative work all run smoothly if you choose the right applications. Because AntiX is optimized for low resources, many lightweight apps are included by default, like ROXterm, LeafPad, and the excellent ISWM control tools. Another thing users appreciate is how transparent AntiX is. There's no bloat, no forced services, no hidden background processes. You know exactly what's running on your system. For people who value privacy, control, and simplicity, this is a huge advantage. In terms of updates, AntiX benefits from Debian's stable repositories, meaning you get security patches and updates without worrying about stability issues. It doesn't change rapidly, but that's intentional. AntiX focuses on reliability, not chasing the newest features. For older hardware, this slow and steady approach is ideal. Even though AntiX is small, the community around it is active, friendly, and helpful. There are forums full of tutorials, troubleshooting steps, and customization guides. Whether you're new to Linux or an experienced user looking to fine-tune the system, the AntiX community provides excellent support. Now, who should use AntiX Linux? If you have an old laptop or desktop that struggles with heavier distributions, AntiX is perfect. If you want a fast system that boots almost instantly, AntiX is perfect. If you like minimalism or want a system TFE environment, AntiX gives you full control. Even for modern hardware, AntiX can be a great choice if you prefer speed, simplicity, and efficiency over fancy effects or heavy desktops. But AntiX may not be for everyone. If you need a modern, full-featured desktop environment with animations and integrated tools, you might prefer Linux, Mint, Zorin, or KDE. Plasma. AntiX is simple by design, and while you can customize it heavily, it will never behave like a full-featured mainstream distro unless you put in the effort. Overall, AntiX Linux remains one of the fastest and most lightweight distributions available in 2025. Its focus on speed, simplicity, and stability makes it a great choice for old machines, privacy-conscious users, and anyone who loves minimal Linux environments. It's reliable, efficient, and built to last, and even though it's small, the level of control and customization it offers is incredibly powerful. AntiX proves that even the oldest hardware still has life left in it. And for many users around the world, that makes all the difference.